Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, a couple clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series that'll walk through the futures market and how it all works. And then second, I'm trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which one am I using? You can find all that, the link at the top of the screen there. I'll also put it in the description area. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to have very little of your own capital at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So if that sounds like something that could be of value to you, then definitely check that out. So as of now, I am looking for a breakout through this yellow line right here on the NQ, and we'll see if it can come up there. This is live in the sense of I don't know what's going to happen next, so I'm recording myself in real time. You know, this is not a voiceover where I've recorded everything. Now I'm coming back and put my voiceover. Nothing like that. So maybe there's going to be a great trade. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe it breaks out, fills me, and then dumps. Maybe it doesn't break out at all. I'm not sure, but I'm going to keep an eye on that yellow line, and we'll see what happens. So I'll pause the screen recording software for now, and we'll see if we can get the breakup through there or not. All right. I'm in and out. Wow. Just like that. If you blinked, you missed it. Now, whoa, but kind of. So the thing there is that's 9:30 a.m. Eastern, and yes, futures are not the same as stocks. Futures are way better. But to give credits due, the futures market does care about the USA stock market. And the USA stock market opens up at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. So that's where, you know, futures usually, they get a little bit of a jolt. Now, of course, you never know what direction the jolt is going to go and all that. But you can, you know, I suppose there's no guarantees. But high likelihood that at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, futures do get a bump in movement and volume. And that's what I took advantage of there. So again, futures are not the same as stocks. However, futures do care about the stock market, which is, again, not a coincidence that happened right there. If you see the timestamp right there at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. All right. Well, I don't know. That was nice. That was if you blinked, you missed it. But like I said, futures they can add up very quickly. So I will pause. Let's see what else I can find. All right. I'm looking for potentially a short here. If it wants to drop back down here, see if we can get a move down here through the VWAP area. So clearly some downwards pressure showed up. I've changed to MNQ, so less risk, but also less reward if I'm not right. Ooh, that was a terrible fill. So let's see, like I said, if this downwards pressure wants to resume. And blue line is my entry. Come on. How did I not even get it out there? What is up with that? Hello? Wow. That, first off, it's not, okay, now it does. Gotta love it. Gotta love it when that happens. If that's ever happened to you, where you give the thing time, you give the thing time, you're like, all right, I don't think it's gonna go, and then you get out, and then it goes, hey, welcome to the club. I also have had that happen to me right there. But that was weird too. Just, it was all acting all difficult when it filled me, and then after it fills me, there it made the move I was looking for. So yeah, sometimes all you can do is laugh about it. All right, I'll pause. Let's see if I can find something else. All right, maybe trying to trade so you can visually see what I'm seeing. There's a little trend line in there that potentially for a flush down through there. Looking for potentially a move down through the trend line, but as I say that, it's now bouncing back up. And this candle's about done. Potentially a trade right here for once. Yep, good. Oh, well, all right, never mind. That bounced up way too much. My risk profile is definitely different there now. All right, well, I'm trying, but as you're seeing, it's not quite cooperating and giving me the setup and entry that I want. Gotta be careful. I don't want to force a trade just for the sake of the video. I've been there before. The, hey, let's make a cool video. The, hey, let's get some more trades for the video's sake. Has put me in, over the years, has put me in some, probably not A+ setups. Let me put it that way. Yeah. I think the responsible thing, as much as I want to get on another trade, probably should just call it good. So that is what I'm going to do. Before I do go, though, I want to invite you to sign up for this free live online webinar that I'm offering. So if you are a beginner trader, maybe you're struggling in your journey, then I'm very confident this webinar can give you some good quality things to think about, maybe point out some pitfalls in your journey. If you're a battle-hardened veteran with a bulletproof strategy, you are welcome to attend, but I'm not quite sure you're necessarily going to get anything from it. But my confidence level is definitely very high in the categories of if you're just getting started in the trading world, or maybe you're not new to the trading world, but you're just struggling with it. So get signed up for the class, claytrader.com/live, or just check out the link in the description area down below, and that'll let you know when the next live class is. So thanks for hanging out. Make sure you hit that like button, and I'll see you back in the next one.